Fizz beyond carbonated water. Now you can directly fizz juice, tea, cocktails, wine, and more. InFizz your flavour. Introducing the InFizz Fusion. Fizz your favourite drinks directly in the InFizz Fusion bottle. Say goodbye to diluted flavour and added syrups. Made possible by our pressure-controlled FusionCap. Simply tilt and twist into place. It only takes a few short bursts to reach your ideal level of fizz. Customised carbonation. Enjoy straight away or leave the cap on to retain fizz and enjoy later. Gently release the valve to depressurize. Now you can fizz juice, tea, cocktails, wine, and even re-fizz soda to enjoy again and again. InFizz any drink. Try your own creations or be inspired by our tried and tested recipes from our Breville test kitchen. Available online, and elevate your entertaining. With our range of luxe colours, you'll be able to coordinate your InFizz Fusion to the rest of your kitchen. Start with full flavour. InFizz for more.